Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing your data and confirming the current build so nothing is lost. Once done, download the official ISO for the target version from the vendor and make a bootable USB stick. This is the one safe method I recommend. Make sure to verify the checksum to avoid corrupted installs. You'll also note product keys or account credentials now, because once you reboot into the installer, there's no turning back until the process completes. You boot from the USB and follow the installer prompts. Choose language, time, and keyboard options first. Next, choose whether to upgrade or perform a clean install. Select the drive and format only if you want a true version change and to remove prior system files. Once you proceed, the installer copies files and configures the core system. Make sure to unplug extra drives to avoid installing to the wrong disk. After the initial phase, the system will reboot automatically into setup. You finish by completing out-of-box setup. Sign in with your account, restore your backup, and ensure system updates install immediately. Once done, install drivers and critical apps in order to confirm hardware compatibility. This reduces instability. If something goes wrong, reboot into BIOS to check boot order and secure boot settings, and if necessary, use the installer's repair or command prompt to rebuild the bootloader. That single repair step usually resolves most startup failures. Make sure to keep your installer USB handy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.